Hey, hi everyone. How are you guys? I hope everyone is safe out there. So, today I'm going to talk about a topic which is knowing your worth. That's right. So, this is an important topic not only in sales but everywhere else, all the walks of life. Knowing your worth is very important. How do you do that then? As a salesperson, the maximum worth of you comes out not on the basis of how much you're able to sell or how many clients you're able to get on board. Yes, they are important, they are very important. That's why the company has hired you. You're the backbone, you're the pillar, one of the pillars of the organization as a salesperson. But as a sales manager, what your worth is how many replicas of yourself you were able to create in your sales manager journey. So, as a sales manager, as I said in my last video in training your executive, that as a salesperson you need to create a replica of your own. The company has given you executives because they believe the fact that you can make someone as good as you. So, if you are able to do that, if you're able to create that replica, you are worthy enough to be to be recognized. So what happened is I'll tell you why I chose this topic. So what happened a few days back, one of my ex-colleague, ex-teammate rather, messaged me that, hey Akash, I just wanted to you know thank you for all the things that you did for me when I was in your team, and I sincerely till today I admire the fact that how you worked as a client centric person and how much you focused on internal trainings. So that was something which created a aha moment for me. So as a sales manager, my if my aim is to become one of the biggest sales coaches in the world, I've already don't you think I've already achieved it? It's just the masses need to know about it, because somebody in the world is taking time to acknowledge the fact that I am good with my job. The world just needs to know about it, and the world would eventually know. Similarly, if your dream is to become one of the greatest entrepreneurs of the world will definitely know about it. And if there are people who have already complimented you, that you are one of the best entrepreneurs that I've met, the chances are the world would know that very soon. So do not uh, lose hope, guys, just because of one or two odd failures that is happening in your life. Or do not give up to the fact that you're not getting that recognition that you aimed for, or you're not getting that money that you aimed for. This is something that the worth that you're creating is something which cannot vanish in a day or two. The worth that you want to create is a big one. You want to be one of the greatest entrepreneur the world has seen. You want to be the likes of Steve Jobs, the likes of Bill Gates. And do you think they were made in a day? No, they were made in years and years. So practice, know your worth, practice, believe in the fact that this thing is meant to happen, and that will happen. Belief is the first thing that need to fall in place. So definitely, I would advise you to know your worth. What do you say, guys? How much do you think knowing your worth helps in developing you as an individual? Do let me know in the comment box. Also, I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you like the contents of the video, and also let me know what topics do you want me to discuss next. Till next time, stay safe, keep selling, and bye bye.